Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wall collage kit is probably one of the most fun and creative ways for teen girls to personalize their bedroom, showcasing their individuality and passions through photos, artwork, and mementos. In this video, we will review the best wall collage kits currently available, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect kit for your teen girl. Number 5. PROCIDA Wall Collage Kit. It's designed with a boho peach and orange color scheme. These elegant posters easily create a natural and fashionable collage. The images include scenery, quotes, characters, and more, adding texture and inspiration to your space. This kit contains 50 4x6-inch posters printed on thick cardstock. They can cover a large area of your wall, adding a pop of color and letting you express your personal style. They are great for dorm rooms or any space needing a decorative touch. Use multiple kits to cover large walls or hang them in different areas. Easily create a personalized photo wall with your own pictures. It makes a perfect gift for birthdays, graduations, or any special occasion. The inspiring quotes will bring positive feelings every time you see them. We are confident you'll love this product. If you have any issues, please contact us through Amazon. Search PROCIDA to find our other wall decor options. What we like. If you like boho style and aesthetic pictures, this is the perfect choice for you. It comes with 50 pieces of 4x6-inch prints, offering a wide variety of designs to create a unique wall collage. This kit is ideal for creating a relaxing and inspiring atmosphere in your room. What people say. Nice price and the photo quality of each of these is great. I like that it's a cardstock thicker material so not to bend easily. There were no duplicates and the colors are soft and earthy. The quality was great. Most wall decor I have received in the past were made from flimsy paper materials and usually tore or fell off the wall within a few days. These are more sturdy and also cute. The durability is great. They are made on thick cardstock. Beautiful colors and designs. They would also make great little note card as the backs are blank. Number 4. Craft-tastic DIY Wall Collage Kit. It's time to personalize your space. This kit has everything you need to create a unique wall art piece that reflects your style. With this kit, you can create stunning 3D wall art. Add your own photos and foam spacers for an extra dimension. It's easy to use and won't damage your walls. The materials stick securely with paint-safe tape. Arrange and rearrange the items to create countless combinations. It's a great way to express your personality. It's a thoughtful gift for any occasion. The kit has enough materials for a large collage, but you can customize the size and shape to fit any space. Everything you need is included: cardstock prints, 500 plus stickers, foam spacers, and wall-safe tape. Get started on your masterpiece today. What we like. If you are looking for a kit that allows for a 3D effect and lots of creative freedom, this one is for you. It includes pre-cut designs, 500 plus stickers, and foam spacers, giving you endless possibilities to personalize your space. This kit is perfect for those who love to express their creativity and style. What people say. It comes with plenty of foam pads to make stuff pop away from the wall, and way more wall-safe double-sided tape than we needed. So many ways to customize it and add their own creativity. Great quality, and it came with so much stuff. Number 3. Fardes Indie Wall Collage Kit. This kit is perfect for adding a unique touch to your space. It includes 70 high-quality prints, double-sided tape, and even a few special gifts. With 70 different images, you'll have plenty of options to create your dream wall collage. They're printed on thick, glossy cardstock for a premium look and feel. The included double-sided tape makes it simple to put up your pictures, and you can easily rearrange them whenever you want a new look. It's not just for walls. Get creative and use these prints in journals, frames, or even as part of other DIY projects. This kit makes a thoughtful and stylish gift for teens, friends, or anyone who loves to personalize their space. It's beautifully packaged and ready to give. These aren't your average prints. They're vibrant, durable, and designed to add a touch of indie style to any room. What we like. If you are into indie and unique styles, this kit is a must-have. It comes with 70 pieces of trendy prints and includes double-sided tape for easy application and rearrangement. It's perfect for creating a cool and personalized space that reflects your individuality. What people say. I put these up in my kid's room and she finally quit begging me to paint the walls lime green. The tape has held up really well so far. Comes neatly wrapped in pretty packaging. All of the designs are unique and funky, great for an eclectic decorator. They form a pretty big wall collage and it's a great option for a focal point wall. I'm going to use some of these to decorate around my middle school classroom. They're printed on great quality paper and are so vibrant and cute. Such a cool item, really livened my room up. Thick paper, eye-catching colors, high resolution. Number 2. WOONKIT Peach Teal Collage Kit. It's the perfect way to add a touch of personality to any space. This kit includes 50 high-quality prints, ready to transform your walls. Each print is 4 by 6 inches, giving you plenty of options for creating your unique wall collage. They're printed on high-quality paper for a vibrant look. It's the perfect way to update your bedroom with the latest trends. This kit is ideal for teens and young adults who want to create a stylish and inspiring space. It's more than just decoration, it's a source of motivation. The prints feature inspirational quotes to keep you feeling positive and focused. It's incredibly easy to arrange and hang. You can create a cohesive look or mix and match to your liking. You can hang them, frame them, or even use them as postcards. It makes a wonderful present for friends and family. The beautiful packaging and high-quality prints make it a gift that will be cherished. With its 50 prints, it covers approximately 3 by 3 feet of wall space. Let your creativity shine and design the perfect wall collage for your room. What we like. If you love peach and teal color scheme and inspirational messages, this kit is perfect for you. It offers 50 high-quality prints in a trendy color palette, including inspirational quotes to keep you motivated. This kit is ideal for creating a stylish and uplifting atmosphere in your room. What people say. My daughter loves the postcards and has posted them around her room. She really liked the colors and the photos used. These pictures really brightened up the room. The color and quality are excellent. The size of these pieces made it easy to put together a beautiful wall collage. High-quality glossy photo paper. Number 1. Hapinest DIY Wall Collage Kit. It's time to personalize your space. This complete kit has everything you need to create a unique wall collage that reflects your style. You'll receive 154 cutouts, letter cutouts, stickers, markers, tape, string, and foam squares, more than enough to make a stunning collage. With various themes, colors, inspirational quotes, and customizable graphics, it offers endless possibilities for self-expression. Let your imagination run wild. Spell out your name or a favorite word using the letter cutouts. Add your photos and use foam spacers to create a 3D effect. It's your space, make it personal. This kit makes a thoughtful and unique gift for birthdays or any special occasion. It's the perfect way to add a personal touch to any room. For a long-lasting collage, you may want to use extra adhesive. And remember to get creative if you need more of a less common letter. What we like. If you want a kit with tons of elements for ultimate customization, this is your best bet. It includes 154 cutouts, 769 stickers, and letter cutouts, allowing you to create a truly unique and personalized wall collage. This kit is perfect for those who enjoy crafting and DIY projects. What people say. The kit includes a fantastic variety of 150-plus aesthetic images, quotes, and designs that fit a variety of styles, pastel, boho, trendy, etc. There are also double-sided sticky tabs for mounting and string with mini clothespins if you want to hang the pictures instead. It even has some fun extras like stickers and cutouts, which add a personal touch to the project. The pictures are printed on sturdy cardstock, ensuring they won't tear easily. The colors are vibrant and true to what's advertised. The sticky tabs didn't leave residue, which was a bonus for parents concerned about wall damage. Everything about this kit is designed to be user-friendly. My niece could assemble her collage independently without needing adult supervision. The sticky tabs were strong enough to hold the pictures on her wall without damaging the paint. The variety of display options, grid pattern, random, or string display, allowed her to customize the look to her liking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.